Okay, let's continue. So the recipient of this award get the citation, a cash prize of 11 lakhs, shawl, and Shriphal. I think also a bronze made in bronze idol of Saraswati. So the goddess of so this is about the uh, the recipient, what the recipient get in right, citation, a cash prize of 11 lakhs, shawl, Shriphal, and a bronze idol of Saraswati, which is nothing but the symbol of knowledge or the goddess of knowledge and wisdom. So this is about the particular award. Again, if someone wants to have the okay, you can have the screenshot of it. Okay, if you even have finished, then let's move. Okay, fine. So, as I said, it was started in 1965, right? So the first recipient, obviously in 1965, is Shankar Kurup. Is G. Shankar Kurup. So he is Malayalam, and I think something Oda Kudai kind of was the literature, Auda Kudai. So it is in the language of Malayalam. So he was the first one, or the first recipient of the Bharatiya Jnanpith Award in 1965 as this one. So it is nothing but the collection of poems written in the Malayalam. I think it's the translation of this could be I can say the bamboo flute of this particular name can be translated in English as the bamboo flute. So this was published basically in 1950. So as this institute or this Bharatiya Jnanpith was instituted in 1961, then there was idea which had come across by the Jain families who were the founder of this particular. Then they thought that we should give away the award for the best literature in India. So they called so many different people from across the country. They have constituted the committee. They have meetings and meetings, and then after doing this, they have sent one proposal to the then president of India, and the president also liked this particular idea, and then it was actually being started in 1965, right? So I think the actual process was started in 1962, but it has come in reality by 1965. So this is about the little bit history of this particular award. So I was talking about the first recipient. So his group of poems was published in 1950 and it was given in 1965. So at that time, there was no bar on the literature published when it was published, and what about its let's say duration. But later on, it was decided that it should be always given for the literature published only in last 20 years, not more than that, right? So that was considered, or we can have one of the entry gates, right? That your literature must be with the before or have only the age of 20 years. So anything greater than 20 years will not be considered for this particular uh, award, right? So that was the case. Now, earlier the price was very less, but in 2015 it was revised to 11 lakhs, right? In fact, when the award started, at that time it was decided only to give 1 lakh. So the days 1 lakh means today's 54 lakh, right? So if we consider the valuation of the money, so it is declined. Fine. Although today we have 11 lakhs, right? So if we consider again the total languages, as I said, for the award considered are presently only 16 languages. So among 23 Indian languages, only 16 are considered, right? So what these 16 can be, if we consider Hindi, then Kannada, Bengali, Malayalam, Gujarati, Marathi, say Odia, Urdu, then Telugu, Punjabi, Assamese, Tamil, think Kashmiri, Konkani, and Sanskrit. So these are the complete, I think, 16 languages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, one remain. So that is English. So including English. So either of, if your literature is in either of these languages, it will be always considered, right? I think little bit about this we have heard when we were seeing first female in India. So Ashapurna Devi was the first female in India to get this particular award. So till now there are 7 different female who got this particular award, or they have received this award, which we can consider. Now let's consider where we as Maharashtra stand in the list of this particular award. So I think from Maharashtra here there are 4 different recipients are there. So the very first in 1974 for Yayati, right, a novel written by V. S. Khandekar, right? So V. S. Khandekar. So Marathi literature, first one, which we can consider. Then in 1987, one more we can consider the work, which was, I don't know exactly the name, but it was by Viva Shirwadkar. So V. Shirwadkar. Then after this, one more Marathi literature in 2003 by Vinda Karandikar. Karandikar. And very recently in this list, we can consider the 2014 Bhalchandra Nemari. Bhalchandra Nemari. Right. So these were different Marathi literatures. Just a minute. Which we can have for or in this award, right? So this is what we can consider for the Bharatiya Jnanpith Award. So for till now for Marathi literatures, right, as far as Maharashtra is concerned, right? So to the best of my knowledge, I think these are the 4 different ones. So no doubt this is Visa Khandekar, Sayati, then Kusumagraj, right? We generally call Kusumagraj, right? So if we consider these personalities, right, then after this one, I think what is next? Vinda Karandikar, and the next one is very recent, that is in the name of Bhalchandra Nemani. Right? So we can consider these recipients from the Maharashtra in the, let's say, this particular award. Fine. So this is about the 2 different awards which we can consider in this particular case, right? So I think, okay, as we have it is by that it is by Bharatiya Jnanpith only, right? So if we consider the recent one for 2019, as we have considered first one, so in 2019, who is the recipient of this? So Akitam Namboothiri from, I think, Malayalam. Yes, Akitam Namboothiri. He is Malayalam. Is the last recipient of this particular award. So just I will tell you which are the languages till now have actually got this award. Malayalam is there, English is there, Hindi is there, Bengali is there, Gujarati is there, Marathi is there, Telugu is there, Odia is there, Kannada is there, Urdu is there, Sanskrit is there, Kokni is there. I think Ravindra Kalekar from for Kokni is the recipient of this. Then Kashmiri is there, Tamil is there, Assamese is there, Punjabi is there. Fine. So these are the different languages. In fact, whatever the languages we have considered, so every language have got it by the let's say once upon a time. Fine. So this is about the 2 different awards as far as today's session is concerned. So we will take now the questions. Any queries or questions you can ask. First, you will raise your hand so that Rishikesh will unmute you and you can speak. If it is there, in that case, is there any difficulty, then you can type your question.
Please raise the hand. Who has queries? Please raise the hand. So there is no queries, sir. I think. Siddharth. Siddharth, speak. Siddharth, unmute from your side.
हॅलो सर.
हा.
सर रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांना मिळाला होता का हा अवॉर्ड?
नाही नाही.
ओके ठीक आहे.
हा. ऍक्च्युली त्यांच्या वेळेला नव्हतंच ना सुरू केलेला.
अच्छा सर, मग याच्यात ते पोस्टमसली अवॉर्ड नाहीये का?
नाहीये. हा, बरं झाला ही गोष्ट विचारली. सो दिस इज द अवॉर्ड विच इज नॉट कॉन्फेर्ड पोस्टमसली ऍट ऑल. म्हणजे असं आतापर्यंत कोणी नाही पण, आणि त्यांनी नंतर त्यांच्या कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट मध्ये तो क्लॉज इन्क्लूड केला. इट विल नॉट बी अवॉर्डेड पोस्टमसली.
हां.
दॅट वॉज वन रिझन.
ओके थँक्यू सर.
Aditya,
Sir, for which book Bhalchandra Nemade won this award?
आता त्यांची ती कुठली कादंबरी आलेली, हिंदू का आय थिंक,
Oh.
त्याच्यासाठी.
is anyone have doubts? I think not, sir.
Okay, then I think we'll quit. If no questions, then okay, I will leave the meeting. So tomorrow we'll meet.
Is anyone have doubts, queries? They can ask. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.